Welcome to this program. Today we are going to discuss about the answer key for the online test 11 group theory and application of spectroscopy. It is a very lengthy unit, so we divide the unit into two parts. Part 1 consists of group theory and part 2 consists of the spectroscopy. And we are going to now discuss the 50 questions in part A regarding group theory and one or two questions from spectra. The first question: if all three elements present in a group commute with each other, the group is called. According to the definition of abelian group, if all the elements present in the groups are commute with each other, then the group is called abelian group. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. Question number 2. Choose the correct statement from the following regarding cyclic group. All its elements can be generated from one symmetry element. It is correct. A, A square, A3 up to A power n form an element of a cyclic group. It is also correct. 3. The roots of the equation x power n minus 1 equal to 0 form the cyclic group. It is also correct. 4th, all cyclic groups are not abelian. It is wrong statement. Therefore, statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. Therefore, the correct answer is B. For the incorrect statement, the correct statement is all cyclic groups are abelian. This is the correct statement for the fourth one. The correct answer for the question is B. Question number 3. If A minus 7, 6, minus 18, 14 and x 2, 1, 3, 2, then x inverse of A into x is equal to. Here the correct answer is C. 2, 0, 1, 0, 5. Matrix of 2, 0, 0, 1, 5. Here first you take the x inverse. For taking x inverse, you have to take the second element in the first row and the first element in the second row is minus. The x inverse of x is 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. It is multiplied by the matrix A minus 7, 6, minus 18, minus 14 and x 2, 1, 3, 2. If you multiply it, you will get 2, 0, 0, 5. The matrix of 2, 0, 0, 5 is the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is C. Question number 4. The character of the symmetry operation Sn is. For that, you must know the value of the matrix of Xn. Xn matrix is cos theta, sin theta, 0, minus sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. You have to add the diagonal element cos theta, the next diagonal element cos theta minus 1. You add, you will get 2 cos theta minus 1. The correct answer is for this question is D. The character of the symmetry operation of Sn is 2 cos theta minus 1. The correct answer is D. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a subgroup for C2B point group? You know very well, a subgroup must obey the characteristic of a group. All group must have an identity element E. And the important properties is the order of the higher group is divided by the order of the subgroup should be the whole number. Suppose you consider C2B, the order is 4. For the first option A, the order is 2, 4 by 2 that will be equal to 2. This is a subgroup. For second one is order is 2, 4 divided by 2 that is also a 2. It is a subgroup. For C, the order is 2, then 4 by 2 will be equal to 2 and it is also a subgroup. But in the case of 4, the order of the group is 3. The order of the subgroup is 3. The order of the higher group is 4. The 4 divided by 3 that will be equal to 1.33. Therefore, it is not a whole number. Therefore, the D is not a subgroup for the group D. The correct answer is D. The D is not a subgroup for C2V group. Question number 6. Two groups have the same order and the structure, one-to-one correspondence between the members and the same relationship between the members are called. The correct answer is C, isomorphic group. The group must have the same order and there is one-to-one correspondence between the element present in the group. Therefore, these groups are called isomorphic group. The correct answer is C. And the example of isomorphic groups are discussed in the incoming slide, the forthcoming slide. 7. A set of elements in a group which are conjugate with one another is said to form the class of a group. The correct answer is B. If the elements are commute with each other and they will form one particular class, that is known as the class of a group. Definition of class of a group. The correct answer is B. Question number 8. The metric representation of Cn axis is. Here the correct answer is A. Cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. This is the matrix representation for Cn axis. And for this, the character of the group is you have to add the diagonal element cos theta plus 1. It will be equal to 2 cos theta plus 1. For the character of the Cn axis is 2 cos theta plus 1. The correct answer for this question is A. The matrix representation of Cn axis is A. Question number 9. A molecule contains the symmetry operations E, 2C6, 2C3, C2, 3 sigma V and 3 sigma D, the number of classes and the order of symmetry element. The number of classes is will be equal to the number of symmetry element E, 2C6, 2C3, C2, 3 sigma V and 3 sigma D. Therefore, the number of classes is 6. The order of the symmetry element is you have to add all the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus, that will be equal to 12. You have to add all the symmetry element and that will be equal to 12. Therefore, the class is 6 and the order is 12. The correct answer is B, 6, 12. Question number 10. Choose the correct isomorphic group from the following: A, EC2, B, EI, C, E sigma n, and all of this. The correct answer is all of this. All are isomorphic group, and here the order is the same and there is possibility for one-to-one correspondent. Therefore, these three groups are isomorphic group. EC2, EI, E3 sigma n are isomorphic groups. 11. The point group of CO2 is C sigma V. The order of the group is here. The correct answer is A, infinitive. The order of the group is infinitive for this molecule. 12. The order of the group DT, OH and IN respectively are. The correct answer is B. For tetrahedral bind group, the order is 24. For octahedral bind group OH, the order is 48. And for IN, the order is 120. The correct answer for this question is B, 24, 48 and 120. 13. CH triple bond CH belongs to D infinity H bind group. The symmetry element present in the bind groups are. The correct answer is C, E, 2 C infinitive sigma infinitive sigma V sigma H I 2 S infinitive and infinitive C2. The correct answer is C. C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 14. Match the following or match the list 1 with the list 2 and choose the correct statement for this equation. Here we are going to list the 1 with the list 2. And in list 1, the A is CH4. The CH4, the correct option is C, that is 3. E, 4C3, 3C2, 3S4 and sigma D. And for B, the correct answer is 4. E, C4, S4, 4C2, 4 sigma V, sigma H and I. And for H2, you know very well, it is a linear molecule, therefore it is a D infinity H. The answer is 2. The answer is 1. Sorry, for C2 the answer is 1. E 2 sigma C infinitive sigma V sigma H I 2 S infinitive and infinitive C2. For H2 the answer is 1. For HF the answer is 2 E C infinitive and sigma CV. Therefore the correct option is 3, 4, 1, 2. The correct answer is given. Here the correct answer is D, 3, 4, 1 and 2. This is the correct answer for this question. In CH4 and SiF4, the angle between C3 and C2 axis is the correct answer is 54.74 degree. The correct answer is A. Question number 6. Both vertical plane and the horizontal plane of symmetry present in. The correct answer is B. If you consider ammonia molecule, it consists of only vertical plane. And if you consider BF3, it consists of vertical plane as well as horizontal plane. And similarly for H2O, water, and contains only vertical plane. Similarly BH3, it contains only vertical plane. Therefore the molecule BF3 contains vertical plane as well as horizontal plane. The correct answer is B. BF3 is the correct answer. Question number 17. The order of the groups C14, D40 and S4 respectively. Here the correct answer is C. For C40 the order is 40. For D40 the order is 80. For S40 the order is 40. Therefore the correct answer is C, 40, 80, 40. Question number 18. Identify the Mulligan rotation for the following irreducible representation. Here the irreducible representation is 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. You noted that the value of dimension, that is below E, is 1. It is a one-dimensional irreducible representation. Therefore the symbol for this irreducible representation is A. You can neglect B. The second one is you have to calculate that is you have to find out the symmetry or asymmetry of C2. And here C2 is minus 1 and it will become A2. Right? The answer A is wrong. Now you consider the I is the symmetry is minus 1, the symbol is U of A to U. And for this horizontal plane of symmetry, it is asymmetric minus 1 double frame. The Mulligan symbol for this, or the Mulligan rotation for this irreducible representation, is B, A to U to double dash. A to U double dash is the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is B. Question number 19. The E and E direct product in D3 point group contains the irreducible representation. Let us consider E into E, that will become 4, 1, 0. E is 2 minus 1 0, you multiplied E into E, that will become 4 1 0. Now we are going to find out the number of irreducible representation A1 present in this reducible representation. This will be given by number of times the A1 present in the reducible representation is equal to 1 by 6 into the character of the reducible representation 4 and the character of irreducible representation 1 and multiplied by 1, that will become 4 plus 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, you calculate NA2, that will be equal to 1 6 into 4 into 2 plus minus 0, that will be equal to 1. And for N suffix E, that is the number of times the irreducible representation present in the group is 1 by 6 into 4 into minus 2 minus 0, that will be equal to 1. Therefore, the A1 is present 1 times, A2 irreducible representation present 1 time, and E irreducible representation present 1 time. Therefore, dou R is equal to A1 plus A2 plus E. The correct answer is A. Question number 20. The result of the product of C2x C2y is, here the correct answer is C. If C2x is rotated by followed by C2y, then the next product is the resultant product is C2z. The correct answer is C. 21. The point group of the symmetries of trans CR En twice F2 plus TiCl6 3 minus respectively are. The correct answer is A. D4T and D3T is the correct answer. The question number 22. The product of sigma xy into x power 4 z, that is x power 4 is the fourfold improper axis of rotation around the z axis, and sigma xy is the reflection of xy plane. We are going to multiply sigma xy into s power 4 and the net result will be equal to C4. C4 is z axis. Option A is correct. Sigma xy into s power 4 z, that gives C4 z. The answer is, correct answer is A for this question. 23. The product of C2x into sigma xy is, you know very well the group multiplication table, C2 into sigma v, that will be equal to sigma v dash, and here xy plane you will get xz plane. Therefore, C2x into sigma xy, that will be equal to sigma xz. The correct answer is A. Question number 24. The point group is obtained by adding symmetry operation sigma h to the point group of C4 is. It is a very simple equation questions. C4 plus sigma h gives C4h. Therefore, the correct option is B, C4h. The correct answer for the question is 25. The molecule that possesses S4 symmetry element is, it is well known example. The option B, allene, is the correct answer. The correct answer for the question is B. 26. The pair of symmetry point groups are associated with only polar molecule. Here, a molecule which possesses which have the symmetry point group of C2V and C sigma V are polar in nature. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. C2V, C infinity V. This type of molecule possess polar properties. 27. For a point group, an incomplete character table is given with one irreducible representation is mixing, and it is an example of C3V point group. A1 is given 1 1 minus 1, and this A2 is missing, E equal to 2 minus 1 0. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C, A2 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. and this can be checked out by taking one of the important properties. Two irreducible representations are orthogonal to each other. If we consider A2 and A1, A2 is 1 1 minus 1. You multiply this 1 into 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 into minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus minus 3, that will be equal to 0. If the direct product of the two irreducible representation will be equal to 0 means, and these two irreducible representations are orthogonal to each other, A1 and A2 are orthogonal to each other, A2 and E are orthogonal to each other. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C, A2 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. 28. The total number of symmetry in diborane molecule is. First, we must know the point group of diborane molecule. The point group of diborane molecule is D2H. Therefore, the total number of symmetry operation is 4n. 4 into 2, that will be equal to D. 8. The correct answer is D. The total number of symmetry operation in diborane molecule is 8. The correct answer. 29. The pi orbital P1 plus P2 minus P3 minus P4 of cis butadiene belongs to the irreducible representation. Here you have to consider this molecule is C2V. Therefore, and this pi orbital belongs to A2 irreducible representation in C2V group 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is B, A2. Question number 30. The total number of times A1 representation appears in the reducible representation of the C2V point group given below. Here, the C2V character table, tau is 3113, that is a reducible representation, and A1 irreducible representation is 1111, and we have to find out the number of irreducible representation present in the reducible representation. For that, you have to use the formula 1 by h into the summation of character of the reducible representation into the character of the irreducible representation. You take the order of the group is 4. Therefore, 1 by 4 into the character of the symmetry operation E is 1, the character of irreducible representation is 1, and the character of reducible representation is 3. 1 into 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into 3. The first is the character of the symmetry operation. The second one is the character of the irreducible representation. The third one is the character of the reducible representation. You multiply all, you will get 1 by 4 into 8, that will be equal to 2. The number of A1 irreducible representation present in the reducible representation 3113 is 2. The correct answer is B. And you have to use the simple formula to find out the number of irreducible representation present in the reducible representation. That will be equal to 1 by h into summation of x of r into x I of r. X of r is the character of the reducible representation. X I of r is the character of the irreducible representation. You multiply and submit it, and you will get the answer. That is for this question, the number of irreducible representation the present in the reducible representation is 2. The explanation is given below. Question number 31. The point group of eclipsed form of ferrocene belongs to the following point group. Here the correct answer is B, D5H. Similarly, they will ask for staggered form of ferrocene. Here the answer is D5T. For this question, eclipsed form of ferrocene, the point group is B, D5H. 32. Benzene belongs to D6 point group. The number of C2 axes perpendicular to the highest proper symmetry axis is. Here the highest proper symmetry axis is C6. You know very well, there are the highest proper axis is 6, then the 6C2 is perpendicular to the highest proper axial symmetry. Suppose you consider D3H, the highest proper axial symmetry is C3 and 3C2 axis must be perpendicular to the highest proper axial symmetry, and you have to note the 6 here also, the 6C2 axis of symmetry, C2 axis of symmetry perpendicular to the highest proper axis of symmetry. The correct answer is D. You take any molecule, suppose the order is DNH, the number of C2 axis perpendicular to the highest proper axis of symmetry is N. Similarly, it may be D2H, 2C2 axis of symmetry present in the highest proper axis of symmetry. If you consider D3H, 3C2 axis of symmetry perpendicular to the highest proper axis of symmetry. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is question number 33. CH4 belongs to DT.4. Methane belongs to DT point group. The symmetry elements are E, 8C3, 3C2, 6S4 and 6 sigma D present in the group. The order and number of irreducible representation present in the group. You know very well what is order, the number of symmetry element present in the group. You add E is 1 plus 8C3 plus 3C2 plus 6 plus 6. The total it comes around 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6, that will be equal to 24. The order of the group is 24. And the number of irreducible representation will be equal to the number of symmetry operations are present. Here the symmetry operations are E, C3, C2, 6S4 and sigma D. 5 symmetry operations are there. Therefore, the number of irreducible representation is 5. Here 2 points is important. The order of the group is the sum of all the symmetry element present in the group. Then the number of irreducible representation will be equal to the number of classes of operation present in the group. Therefore, the order is 24 and the number of irreducible representations possible is 5. The correct answer is D. 34. The total pi electron energy in cyclobutadiene. The answer is B. The total pi electron energy will be equal to 2 into alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 alpha. The energy levels are, the lowest energy level is alpha plus 2 beta. The next higher energy level is 2 alpha. Therefore, the 4 electrons are substituted in the energy level of alpha plus 2 beta and 2 alpha. You multiply by 2. 2 into alpha plus 2 beta plus 2 alpha, that will be equal to 4 alpha plus 4 beta. The total bielectron energy in cyclobutadiene is 4 alpha plus 4 beta. The answer B is correct. The subgroups of D4H point group are A, D4N and E, B, D4 and C2V, C, C2 and Ci, D alpha, all of these. All of these are the subgroup of DNH. One important point is the subgroup must obey the characteristic of a group. Number 2, the order of the higher group is divided by the order of the subgroup. It should be an integer. For all the subgroups are satisfied the character of a subgroup. Therefore, all these subgroups are the subgroup of the point group D4H. The correct answer is D. 36. Match the following: point group, order, example. Here the correct answer for this question is A. First we consider the point group CNH, and here the order is 2N and the molecule is, you consider the molecule is NiCN4 twice, 1D1. You consider the second point group DNH, this order is 4N and the example is C2H4. Second one C2. For the third one is tetrahedral point group, and here the order is, you know very well, 24, and the molecule is example is P4. And for the fourth one, the point group is OH, you know the order 48, B is the 48, and the molecule is SF6. The correct answer for this question is A, 1D1, 2C2, 3A4, 4B3. Answer is A. 37. Which of the following statements are correct? And we'll consider the statement 1. Integral of minus infinity to plus infinity phi g x pi e d2 is non-zero if the direct product of the representation pi g, pi e and x is totally symmetric. This is correct. 2. The integration of minus infinity to plus infinity pi g x pi e to pi e d2 is 0 if the product of the representation pi g and pi e is totally symmetric. It is wrong. For third one is, for a transition to occur by absorption of IR radiation, integration of minus infinity to infinity pi g mu pi d2 is equal to 0. This is also wrong. 4. The selection rule for IR spectra, the any one of the following integration of minus infinity to plus infinity phi g x pi e d2, integration of minus infinity to infinity pi g y pi e d2, integration of minus infinity to infinity pi g z pi e d2 is non-zero. It is also correct. Therefore, the statement 1 and 4 are correct. Option C is the correct answer. The statement 2 and 3 are wrong. The correct answer for this question is C, 1 and 4. 38. The character table for CV group is given below. Now we are going to find out the total number of irreducible representation of translational degree of freedom of ammonium molecule is. And here the very important point is noted. You consider the fifth column. In fifth column you have x comma y comma z and rx, ry and rz. The x, y, z represent the translational degree of freedom. Rx, ry, rz they represent rotational degree of freedom. Now let us consider the translational degree of freedom. The question is, we have to find out the translational degree of freedom. The first one is Z, it belongs to A1 irreducible representation. And the second, X, Y belongs to E irreducible representation. Therefore, the reducible translation degree of freedom, irreducible representation of translation degree of freedom is A1 plus E. Therefore, the correct answer is A. By just looking the table, we can easily find out the total number of translation degree of freedom as well as the rotational degree of freedom. For rotational degree of freedom, Rx, Ry, Rz. Rz belongs to A2 and Rx, Ry belongs to E. Therefore, A2 plus E, the total number of vibrational freedom, total rotational vibrational degree of freedom from this character table. For the total number of irreducible representation of the translational degree of freedom for ammonium molecule is A1 plus E. The correct answer is A. On the basis of the above character table for ammonia, the total number of irreducible representation of the rotational degree of freedom of molecule is, we have already discussed, the correct answer is A2E. That is, Rz belongs to A2, Rx and Ry belongs to E. Therefore, the total irreducible representation for rotational degree of freedom is A2 plus E. The correct answer for this question is A. Question number 40. The total number of irreducible representation of the vibrational degree of freedom of ammonia molecule is. Here the correct answer is 2A1 plus 2E. You know very well the ammonia molecule is a non-linear molecule. Therefore, 6 modes of vibrations are possible. 3 n minus 6. Here n equal to 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 minus 6, that will be equal to 6. 2a1 plus 2e. For a1 the dimension is 1. For e the dimension is 2. 2 into 1, that will be equal to 2. 2 into 2, that will be equal to 4. 2 plus 4, that will be equal to 6 vibration mode of freedom. And the both vibrations are IR and Raman active. Or we can calculate, you must know the total number of vibration will be equal to tau R minus tau translational plus tau vibrational. You subtract the translational and vibrational freedom from the total vibration. The total vibration is 3n. Tau R will be equal to 3n. From that you subtract translational and vibrational modes, you will get rotational modes, you will get the vibrational mode. Tau R minus bracket la tau translational plus tau rotational, that will give the tau vibrational. The tau vibrational for this ammonia molecule is 2a1 plus E. 41. If tau R is equal to a1g plus t2, where a1g will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and t will be equal to x comma y comma z and xy xz and yz, the possible hybridization is, you know very well, if the irreducible representation is a1g, which will be equal to x square plus y square plus z square, that represent s orbital. T2 x comma y comma z, that represent px py pz orbital. Xy xz yz, that represent dxy dzx and dyz orbital. Therefore the possible hybridization for this molecule having tau R equal to a1g plus t2 is, it may be sp3 hybridization, s plus p3 sp3 hybridization, or sd3 hybridization. But generally, if a molecule having Fr equal to a1g plus t2, the possible hybridizations are sp3 or sd3. The correct answer for this question is 42. The total number of vibration BF3 molecule is, the correct answer is C, a1 dash plus a2 dash plus 2e dash. Already I have discussed, the total number of vibration will be equal to, the total number of vibrational modes will be equal to tau R minus bracket tau translational plus tau rotational. From the total of vibration, you subtract rotational vibration and translation vibration, you will get the total number of vibration modes. By using this, the BF3 is a nonlinear molecule and it has 3 n minus 6 modes of vibration. Therefore, you will get a1 dash plus a2 dash plus 2e dash. The correct answer for the question is C. 43. The delocalization of cyclobutadiene is. Here we already discussed the total pi electron energy for cyclobutadiene is 4 alpha plus 4 beta, and it will be equal to the 2 ethylene molecule. You subtract from the total pi electron energy minus 2 into the pi electron energy of ethylene molecule, that will be equal to 0. The correct answer for this question is for 43. The question is A, 0. The delocalization energy for the cyclobutane molecule 0. It can be obtained total pi electron energy of cyclobutane minus 2 into the pi electron energy of ethylene molecule. The total pi electron energy of butadiene is 4 alpha plus 4 beta, and similarly the ethylene molecule, the total pi electron energy will be equal to 2 into 2 alpha plus 2 beta, that will be equal to 0. The correct answer is 0. 44. B6H12 2 minus belongs to. It is a very good example for the point group is IN. The correct answer for the question is D. the character of few symmetry operation are given below. Identify the character of the irreducible representation A2G1, and here the representation is A, therefore it is a one dimension. All E values are 1. Now the second one is you have to consider the C2 axis. You have 2, therefore C2 may be -1, asymmetric. If you consider the option B, C, D are -1. The first one is 1, for C2 is -1, and for I, now consider here G. If I is symmetric, then you put the symbol G. I is symmetric only in the case of B, 1. Similarly, sigma H is also symmetric in B also, that is single prime. For the symbol A2G single prime, the correct irreducible representation is B, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1. The correct answer for the question is B. 46. The character of the irreducible representation is A1 in C3V. Now let us consider C3 is given. A1 is, you know very well, 1, 1, 1. It is an example, it is a C3V character table. Identify the irreducible representation orthogonal to A1 among the following. You know very well in C3V table, tau 2, 2 minus 1, 0. That is the correct answer. The tau 2 and A1 are orthogonal to each other. You multiply it 1 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 into -1 plus 3 into 1 into 0. That will be equal to 0. Therefore, tau 2 is orthogonal to A1. The correct answer for this question is B, 2 minus 1, 0. If you know the characters table C3V, then you can easily find out the irreducible representation which is orthogonal to A1. You know very well, in the C3V character table, A1 is 1, 1, 1 and A2 is 1, 1, -1 and E is 2 minus 1, 0. That is given. Tau 2 is given. The correct answer for this question is B. 47. The energy of cyclopropane are alpha plus 2 beta, alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta, and the alpha minus beta and alpha minus beta. And the delocalization of C3H3 minus is. We are going to find out the delocalization energy. For that, first you find out the total pi electron of cyclopropane. The lowest energy level is alpha plus 2 beta. There are 2 pi electron present in the system. Therefore, 2 into alpha plus 2 beta. But the total, that is pi electron energy, is 2 alpha plus 4 beta. It is equivalent to the 1 molecules of ethylene. For 1 molecule of ethylene, the pi electron energy will be equal to 2 alpha plus 2 beta. Therefore, the delocalization energy will be equal to the total pi electron of cyclopropane minus the total pi electron of ethylene molecule, which will give us 2 into alpha plus 2 beta minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta, which is equal to 2 beta. Therefore, the delocalization energy of C3H3 minus is 2 beta. The correct answer is A. For the ethane is A1 E T1 plus 32. Tau R is given. And tau translational by tau rotational is T2 plus T1. The vibrational modes are. We have already discussed it. The vibrational modes will be equal to tau R, or tau total minus tau trans plus tau rotational. Tau R is given A1 plus E plus T1 plus 3T2 minus tau translational plus tau rotational is T2 plus T1. You subtract it, you will get A1 plus E plus 2T2. That is the vibrational modes of the given molecule. The correct answer is C, A1 plus E plus T2. Therefore, you have to note the very important point. The total number of vibrational modes, that will be equal to the total number of vibration minus the vibration due to translational plus the vibration due to rotational. Tau total will be tau total minus tau translational plus tau rotational. The correct answer for this question is C. 49. The microwave spectrum of a molecule yields 3 rotational constant. The molecule is. The correct answer is asymmetric top molecule. You know very well, for an asymmetric top molecule, Ix is not equal to Iy is not equal to Iz. Therefore, it gives 3 rotational constant in rotational spectra. The correct answer for the question is C, asymmetric top molecule. Question number 50. The Q band in the vibrational spectrum acetylene. The Q band in the vibrational spectrum of acetylene is observed in A. CC stretching mode, B. CH symmetric stretching mode, C. Bending mode, D. CH anti-symmetric stretching mode. The correct answer is C. The Q band is obtained for the bending vibration of C2H2 when its linearity is lost. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C.